Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix bad sound quality on Windows 11. Bad or muffled sound quality on Windows 11 is usually caused by misconfigured software enhancement or low sample rate, so Windows forcing a Bluetooth headset. So let's see how to fix this one. First you need to change or toggle enhance audio option. First you need to go to start menu, go to setting, navigate to system option, go to the sound section. Under the output section, click on your active speaker, in my case this one, and you need to open the properties of that one. Just click on device properties option. Okay, in the Windows 10 there is no option called enhance audio toggle, but in the Windows 11 there will be a button called enhance audio. If it is on, please turn it off, and you will hear raw audio clears up. If it is turned off, you need to turn it on, because you need to do the against one in here. So in my case there is no enhanced audio option because this is Windows 10 operating system, that's why. And the next method is you need to upgrade the audio sample rate format. To do that, again you need to go to the start menu, go to setting, and go to system, go to sound option, click on your device. Okay, in here under the output section you need to click on device properties, the selected devices, and click on additional device properties. So you need to come to the advanced section, select the default format option. You need to select the higher quality rate. Now it is for 16-bit. I am going to select it at 24-bit like this, and click on OK option. And also in the enhancement section, if it is turned on, you need to turn it off like this, and click on OK. Then after, you can test your sound using this volume icon. If it is clear to you, then the problem is fixed. And the next method is you need to fix Bluetooth hand-free AG audio. This is for the wireless headsets. Again you need to come to search bar, type control panel, click on it, click on hardware and sound options, click on device and printers option, and if you connect the Bluetooth hand-free in here, it will be showing like in here. So assume this is the Bluetooth keyboard, just right click on it, go to properties, but in this case it is not showing. Okay, let me check. Okay, so in the Bluetooth hand-free section you will be see the services kind of tab in here. So you when you go there, you will look for hand-free telephony in the list and uncheck the box next to it. So you will see hand-free telephony kind of option in that services section. You need to uncheck that one and tap on apply and OK. And final method is you need to reinstall the Realtek audio driver. So first you need to right click on the start menu, go to device manager. Okay, in here you need to come to the sound section. Yeah, it is right here. Double tap on it. Then you need right click on the high definition audio device like this. Click on uninstall device and click on uninstall. So then after you need to restart your computer. Then when the computer is reboots, Windows will automatically install the necessary drivers for its computer. And these are the methods you can try to fix your issue. Please subscribe my channel.